Hi, and welcome back to the Quad Matrix Q&A. Today we are going to take a hard look at the Garrison Matrix pliers or forceps. These that you are getting in your kits are not only extremely powerful and durable and easy to handle, but they have a pretty unique quality about them, and we'll focus on that first. So if you look at the Matrix forceps and you get a view here, they're kind of hard to stand up, but you can see that there are two separate channels in those matrix forceps. Okay, so there's a channel that goes high and there's a channel that's a little bit lower, and those channels are for different ring orientation placements. And so if you're placing it how we usually place the ring, which is the ring facing the back of the patient's, or opening up to the back of the patient's mouth, right? That's typically how we do it. Then you're going to want to put them in the top channel, okay, or nearest the bar here that's holding them. And so this top channel is going to be for more traditional ring placement, like so, which is what we're used to. But here's the unique feature, is that you can actually use this bottom channel to place. Let me get it in that bottom channel. Make sure it's in both of them. So you can see that I placed the ring in the bottom channel. The top channel is right above it. This channel allows that ring to have a little bit more of an angle or a pitch that will allow you to place it backwards. In other words, you can get it so that the ring is opening towards the front of the patient's mouth, like so. And so that little extra angle add on there allows you just to drop this thing into position. Let me release the mechanism here. And the really major benefit of this is that you can see how clear your working field is. Now the distal of a first molar is going to be it. In some individuals you won't be able to get the ring that far back, but for bicuspids up here you're definitely able to get those rings situated and oriented in this type of situation, which can be very beneficial when you're trying to place MODs or multiple restorations in a quadrant, as these ring bodies kind of stay out of your way.